Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas, wooden projects, stylish woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. All types of woodworking you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those who love such type of woodworking, beautiful wooden projects, wooden decoration ideas, home decor ideas, wall decor ideas, office decor ideas, patio decor ideas, beautiful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Stylish objects, woodworking ideas, wooden projects. Amazing collection you can see in this my video. Highly running ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see. SCARP woodworking ideas, palette projects of woodworking. Make money with woodworking ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful objects and stylish decor ideas, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful woodworking ideas, these websites easily online in very reasonable price, low price. Easy to make, beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Share my video with your relatives.